Here's how to sign up for YouTube TV. To get started, you'll want to open up an internet browser and go to the YouTube TV website, which is tv.youtube.com. Next, once you're here, come to the top right corner and click on the blue Try It Free button. So to be able to get YouTube TV, you first need to have a Google or Gmail account. So if you have one, you can go ahead and select it right here. If not, you first need to go and create one. You'll then be given a quick opportunity to preview YouTube TV even before you sign up to the free trial. So you can go ahead and look through YouTube TV first if you want, but I'm just going to sign up for the free trial in this video. Next, you want to enter in your zip code so that you'll be able to watch the right local channels. Then you'll want to select the YouTube TV plan you want. So right now all they have is the base plan, so that'll be automatically selected. You can then enter in a promo code if you have it and then click on next. Here you can choose if you want some add-ons to your YouTube TV plan. So they got the 4K Plus add-on, you got HBO Max, NFL Sunday Ticket. If you want to see all the add-ons that are available, you can just click on all here at the top, and then you'll be able to scroll through and select what you want. Next, come to the bottom and click on Checkout. Here you just need to enter in some sort of payment method, so either a credit or debit card, or you can even enter in your PayPal information. And then once you got all that added, just click on Start Membership. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.